Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is September 4th, 2020, and as you can see here, my profit is $159.86, just absolutely amazing. So let's just break it down. Okay, as you can see, this chart is just so crazy. You can see that the sell-off is still happening from yesterday's. Yesterday we were on a total rampage, everything was just selling off, and then we continue today with that sell-off actually happening, and then we actually reversed. So we hit the bottom here where you can see 31.11, and then we reversed, coming back over the VWAP, and then right there. So I'm gonna just break down my trades for today. Today I took a total of 12 trades, as you can see right there. Usually, I try to minimize my trades as much as I can, but when you see an opportunity to get in and get out, that's what I do. And yeah, let's just break it down. So in the morning time here, this is Amazon, by the way, so this is AMZN, that's a ticker symbol. And in the morning, we can see that we had a slight, you see the volume bar right here, so we had a slight push up in the morning. And again, usually when I take my trades, I usually get in and then I get out. Also, just remember that I take my trades above the EMA line right there, so just keep that in mind. And always, as you can see right here with this trade here, always monitor where you're gonna get in, get out, and where you're going to cut your losses as well. So when I took my first trade here, I guess it's all bundled together, so I'm not sure if you can actually see that, but I took my first trade here, 33.71, and then I got out 33.75. That was a pretty good trade right there. Again, doing the same thing here, 33.73, getting in and then getting out 33.75. Took my other trade right here. 20 shares. Again, it's all 20 shares that I do. 33.74, and then I get out 33.76. So that's a $2 spread right there, giving me $40. And then we ended up selling off. As you can see, the volume bar, it's actually coming down, and then when that diminishes, we have this sell-off happening. And you got to make sure you watch the market very carefully. It's an everyday thing that I do, so you got to understand what you're getting yourself into. And then we wait, we let the sell-off happen. We wait until we see some sort of reversal happening. Again, I take my trade above the EMA line, so I got in here 32.84.51, and then I got out 32.87, taking that trade. And then I think I was up 130 on the day. So I had already, made my profit for today, and then the sell-off just continued happening. People, for long-term holders, I would say this would have been a perfect opportunity for you to get in, and then you just, you hold long-term if that's your case. But I usually just day trade. So waited for this amazing, buying, coming back up, a reversal. You can clearly see this, this nice pattern here. And then we go above the EMA line and also above the VWAP, and that's where I took my other trade, making sure that it actually confirms this bounce right here, because you don't want to get in and then it actually gets rejected and come all the way back down. Like, that is a possibility. So you have to let it test, and then it confirms that it was bouncing off of this VWAP line right there. And then I got in for my last trade, 32.90, getting out 32.91. Yeah, but that just wraps up my my trading day for today. So a total of $159.86. It's just absolutely amazing. I had a wonderful day. Hopefully you didn't lose any money. We can see that Amazon itself is negative 2.18% down, which is just crazy. So yeah, how have you guys been? Just let me know in the comment section down below. How did you actually do? If you take a look here at /NQ, we can actually see that this is down 248 points, or again negative 2.11%. So it's pretty much similar to Amazon, and this is why I love trading it. And I just bring in my profits. That's all I do. I just bring in my daily profits, and also losses, because there's certain days where you have to take losses, but for the most. As long as you understand the pattern, it's all about the process, not the profits. And that's what I want to leave you guys with. So yeah, that's about my video for today. So happy Friday, have a great weekend, and hope you enjoy this video. Hope you like it. Subscribe, smash that notification bell, the thumbs up, man, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.